What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. So this is a video that I am recording on the 22nd of April 2023, and as you guys know, right, it's been a long time since I've posted a video on the channel, and the major reason for that was because I have been attending to my university over the past 2 months. The last video on the channel seems to be the 28th of February 2023, which is basically this year. And yeah, that video was the last in a series called Data Science Interview Questions. So we did cover questions 1 to 75. And I hope that, if you did watch those videos, I hope you found it useful. And I even hope that you guys landed a data science job and aced the interviews. So I do have our resources open from where we left off last time, and basically, if you have been following along with the channel, I've mentioned, right, that I am currently recording a Tensorflow tutorial series for the channel. Currently, I have about 8 videos that I have already recorded. That was done around February this year. So the goal is for me now to actually continue recording some more TensorFlow videos. 8 videos is not much, guys, if you think about it, and to be honest with you, I prefer to kind of have the entire series recorded and then I can release the videos out to you, because I do not want to keep you guys waiting, for pieces of the tutorial itself. I prefer to have everything ready and then I'll release the videos one by one. In the meantime, I do have some content for the channel. I have a few videos that we will talk about and we will discuss. All of it are really interesting concepts, so we will talk about, some basics and some in-depth discussions of AI, given the fact that AI is the buzzword nowadays. So that's what we will look at in the next few videos, just some factual sort of informative videos for you. Now, another thing I'd like to mention, right, is that you see the TensorFlow tutorial series. I'm just letting you guys know some numerics, some numbers. So currently, as I mentioned, I have 8 videos recorded, and from the looks of things, there will be approximately, I would say, maybe 20 to 30 plus videos in that tutorial series. I am trying to do it to the best I can. Number one, I learn more, and number two, I get to teach you guys. So that is really good stuff on my side. And yeah, apart from that, that's all I really wanted to, mention, is that I am back. Well, I really never left, but I am going to continue uploading on the channel. I actually finished exams today on a Saturday. I wrote my last paper. It was an ITOOA paper. So ITOOA basically stands for Object-Oriented Systems Analysis and Design. Interesting module, not tough at all. It speaks about UML and so on. There's less theory and more practical. And, gradually with time, I would like to have a short tutorial series about UML on the channel. So yeah, that's all I have to say. And I do see that we currently have 169 subscribers. That is exactly how I left the channel 2 months ago. It had 169. So that is good. We did not grow, but we also did not, lose the subscribers. Now, I'd also like to mention to you, in the future videos, if you are watching this video here, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like on the videos, comment, on the video itself, and share the video with your fellow colleagues, your friends, your family members, or any individual who is currently busy, working in that topic and requires some quality work. Apart from that, that's all I have for the update, guys. Essentially, I am going to continue uploading on the channel over the next few days during this school break, and I look really forward to it, and I do hope you as well, you also look forward to it. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. It's good to be back.